Alright, so the 1/35th scale Unicorn Gundam bust. One of the most unique yet frustrating and interesting kits I've done in a long while. This thing's got a nice ball joint for the head, but it's a bit loose. The manual was very difficult to make sure that everything was going together properly, and the LEDs had to be custom done with 603 LEDs by Powerful to replace the projector ones that were included. That would have made the kit look pretty not as good as it does now. The head camera did have some opaque parts that had to be replaced to get that head camera to look really good like I've got it look now, but the rest of it turned out pretty awesome. It's a unique kit. If you don't want to do the LEDs, that wouldn't be too hard to do. The LEDs do need a little bit more care and a little bit of a scale to my real grade Nanju. These are fairly large and look awesome when done with a little bit of extra care and time, but overall they can come out looking really good, and wouldn't mind getting some more of them.